Hello everyone, my name is Shan. In this short video, I want to share with you 6 wonderful AI tools. The first tool is a Cloud.ai. I use this for content creation. So go to Cloud. What I use a framework is called RTF. R is a role, T is a task, F is a format. So I'm going to create a simple prompt. You are a viral short form video script writer. Specializing in tech tips for non-technical audience. Your task is to create 30-second video script showing viewers how to send a WhatsApp voice note to cloud for instant transcriptions and analysis. The structure, the format is a script in 3 parts. Hook 3 seconds, step 20 seconds, payoff 7 seconds. Write it as on screen, keep sentence short, no jargons, and with a call to action to follow for more AI tips. So this is my prompt for Cloud AI, and when I enter, it's gonna write lovely scripts. Okay, so R is a role. So I'm asking Cloud AI to be a script writer. Task is to write a script. The next tool I want to share is from Google. It's gemini.google.com, and it's a great content creation tool. So I can write my simple prompt that can, let's say if you want to create infographic or create image, you just write your prompt and it's going to create something like this. I've already done that because usually sometimes it will take. But what I really love about Gemini is this tool called Canvas. So Canvas is like a workspace inside Gemini where you can build and edit things with AI, and then it's like a more structured way. So I select Canvas and paste the same prompt, and then you submit. When you submit, it will come out with like a split window. It will take a while, probably take about 30 seconds, but it does a great job. So same prompt I created. You can use Canvas to create interactive infographics. And if you know a little bit of coding, then you can always change your code, maybe change color, you can change text. So yeah, so this is a Canvas tools that you can use for content creation. Next tool is from Google. It's called Pomily, labs.google.com/Pomily. Okay, it does 3 things. It generates business DNA, campaign ideas, and generate creative. So I would say it's another great content creation tool. It's a free AI marketing tool from Google Lab that read your websites, build a brand profile, and generate social media. After you key in your URL, it will actually create kind of a business DNA. So I've keyed in Neon Poly website. It tells me like what are the color, brand colors, the logo. Okay, and it can also help me create social media content. So I will highly recommend this for content creation. It's a great tool. It's a new tool. Probably some of you have never heard of this before, never used it. Another great tool is Canva. In Canva, you can design anything. It could be slides, it could be websites or poster banners. So if you can click on create, let's say you want to create a presentation, or you want to create a social media post. Let's create a LinkedIn post, and then you can pick one of the template and start editing. What I really love about Canva is elements. Like you can add pictures, you can add shapes. You also have any apps. So my favorite is the apps option here. So let's say you're going to create interactive posts, or you want to create interactive slides, you want to add some voiceover. You can use apps from here. So I would highly recommend you to explore the apps from. Yeah, the next tool I want to share is Answer the Public. It's a great tool for if you want to find out what your customers are searching. you can type in any topic and it maps out every question. So let's say you're selling a sneakers, you want to find out what actually Gen Z or millennials they're looking for, what kind of sneakers they're looking for. You can use this tool. So let's sign in, and I'm going to use my Google. There are 3 free searches. All right, so you select the I'm just going to type in, maybe I want to find out what people are looking for when it comes to sneakers, and search all. You can select AI models, you can select search engines like Google, what people are searching, or social media, also shopping. So when you will see options that your customers are searching. Okay, so it's a great SEO tool. Also, it will give you the keywords. So for instance, all the popular keywords, sneakers. And if you scroll down, they have social media for sneakers as well. So I'm using a free version. Another great feature is a create project. If you click on create project, you can type in your website URL and it's going to do the analysis. So I'm using a free version, great tool for content creation. The final tool in this video I want to share is called Gamma. It's a great tool for consultants, for trainers, for SME owners. If you want to regularly pitch to your clients, and you might want to try this tool, Gamma app. So you have to log in, you create new, and then you generate. You write a simple prompt. So I'm just asking Gamma to create 5-slide storytelling presentation on the topic of good social media. And it's going to generate the outline, and the design is going to do a great job for you. Top right corner, there are 3 dots, like export, and then export to PDF, export to PowerPoints, or Google Slides. So yeah, so that's how you can create all the great slide with Gamma. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's 6 tools, all free to start. Pick one today and see what changes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone.